Alright, so I'm finally getting around to doing a tour of my apartment. This is one that I've had a lot of people ask about. I will start off with saying that this is a 70s apartment, so there's not too much I can do with the place. I can't paint or wallpaper the walls, so I can only hang some things up. The carpet I think is horrendous. We even have carpet in the kitchen, and there's just nothing I can do about it. So hopefully one day you guys can see me do a really cool tour of a house when I hopefully one day get one. But for now, here you can enjoy this one since everyone's been so curious. In the living room, I have a matching black sofa and love seat that I managed to find at one of the local furniture stores. And all of these cute spooky pillows from Wax Moon Shop. I'm obsessed with them. I found this lamp at the Antique and Thrift Mall, and then I had to get the lampshade off Etsy. I did have to rework the metal on the inside of the lampshade to make it fit on this style of lamp, and then I also added the black fringe at the bottom. This is one of my favorite corners of the apartment. The wall sconce was thrifted and painted. The framed skulls from my local curiosity shop. The candelabra was thrifted. For anyone who's curious, the vintage computer is a 1984 Macintosh, and the bunny on top is a reference, so if you know, you know. The coffin mirror was made for me by a really good friend, and the other candle holders are technically Halloween decor. If you can't tell by the figures, my boyfriend and I are big nerds. The bookcase I got from Fred Meyer's years ago, but I think that they still have that same furniture line. Here is the designated horror movie watching area. Fun fact, we always have Christmas scented candles lit. I refinished the coffee table with a lot of sanding and black wood stain. And again, the candle holders are thrifted. The circular silver pillows are from Ross, and the coffin pillows are from an Etsy shop that I'll link in the description. This is another table that I thrifted and refinished. The other one I still need to get around to refinishing. I was lucky enough to find 2 matching vintage lamps on eBay, and then again I customized the lampshades with fringe. I really wanted a floor-length candelabra, so I found this one recently on eBay. The record cabinet I got from my boyfriend's grandpa. It not only plays records, but also 8-track tapes. Not gonna lie, this wall's kinda boring. Another vintage sound system, and where I store some vinyl, laserdiscs, and 8-tracks. I'm only gonna be showing my half of the office and bedroom since my boyfriend does deserve his privacy. Is anybody else a fan of reaction figures? This is another one of my favorite walls. Although I do think I need a lot more artwork over here. And then also here's my CD collection. For anyone curious about the instruments I have on the wall, they're both by Schecter. The bass is the Extreme 5 and the guitar is the Ultra Cure, which is Robert Smith's signature guitar. And then here are my pedals. I have 2 clarinets and then some of my amps. My boyfriend and I both have matching bookshelves. Each shelf on mine is loosely themed. And I also have a box of comics in the corner. Another record player and a classic Doom poster since we're both fans of the original Doom. And on to the bathroom. It's not too fancy, but I do like how I have things set up. I keep my makeup in this pencil tin. These jars I got at Michael's a few years back. Some thrifted 1800s candle holders, and the soap dispenser and hand towel are both from Halloween season shopping. On to the bedroom. It's not really all that fancy. Here's my black void of a closet. My nightstand has various candles and skulls, plus there's just various weapons throughout the room. To be honest, I'm just not sure where to store them. I also have a problem with storing jewelry. I've got some records framed on the wall, one of which I got signed by Alice Cooper. More cheesy Halloween decor. And the best part of the bedroom, the coffin shoe shelf. The kitchen is really boring, but here's our dining table. You can spot Gracula, the garlic mincer. And here's my spooky dish collection.